Spring has sprung, and with it comes a wave of jaw-dropping tech deals that'll make any gadget lover's heart skip a beat. Welcome to our countdown of 12 must-have tech gadgets on Big Spring Deals. You can miss your ultimate guide to scoring incredible tech at unbeatable prices. Whether you're a road warrior needing a dash cam, a music junkie craving premium headphones, or a multitasker eyeing a dual monitor stand, this lineup has something to spark your interest. We've scoured the spring sales to bring you 12 must-have items that blend innovation, style, and savings. Curious yet? Stick with us to the end as we unveil every deal, and let's jump right into the tech treasure trove. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear, $130. Buckle up for safety with the REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear, a road warrior's dream at just $130 this spring. This powerhouse records in stunning 4K plus on 1080p dual resolution, capturing every detail, think road, signs and license plates, with a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle view. Its superior night vision, powered by an f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR tech, ensures clarity even in low light. With built-in Wi-Fi and the REDTIGER app, you can manage footage on your phone, while GPS tracks your route and speed. Loop recording, and a G-sensor lock collision videos, making it a reliable witness. At this deal, it's your ticket to peace of mind on every drive. Beats Studio Pro, $180. Get ready to lose yourself in sound with the Beats Studio Pro, now slashed to $180. These over-ear headphones boast Beats' custom acoustic platform, delivering rich, immersive audio for music and calls alike. Enjoy lossless sound via USB-C and tweak it with 3 built-in profiles. Switch between fully adaptive active noise canceling, ANC, and transparency mode to hear what you want, when you want. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking wraps you in a 360-degree soundscape. With up to 40 hours of battery life, plus a 10-minute fast fuel charge for 4 extra hours, and voice-targeting mics for crystal-clear calls, this spring deal is music to your ears. Beats Studio Buds, $100. Spring into sound with the Beats Studio. Buds now just $100. These tiny titans pack a punch with a custom 2-layer transducer for cleaner bass and ultra-low distortion. Toggle between active noise canceling, ANC, boosted 1.6x with larger mics, and transparency mode to blend in the world around you. With up to 8 hours of listening time, 24 with the case, and an IPX4 sweat-resistant design, they're perfect for workouts or commutes. Class 1 Bluetooth ensures a rock-solid connection, while 3 ear tip sizes promise comfort and seal. Compatible with Apple and Android, these buds deliver high-quality calls and voice assistant perks. Snag this deal before it's gone!
HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand, $60. Elevate your workspace with the HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand, now a steal at $60. This upgraded beast boasts a stable base and large arms, securely holding 2 13-inch 35-inch screens up to 26.4 lbs each. VESA 75 bialas 75 meter or 100 mm.
Its 25.59-inch extended arms fit deeper desks, rising to 21.1-inch for ergonomic height adjustments. Enjoy full motion, swivel plus 90 degrees, tilt 30 degrees to plus 85 degrees, and 360-degree rotation for perfect angles and comfort. Mount it via clamp or grommet, up to 3.54-inch thick, and use the built-in USB port to charge devices. With cable management to declutter your desk, this spring deal is a productivity game-changer. USB-C to USB adapters, $8. Small but mighty. The Syntec USB-C to USB adapters are yours for just $8 this spring. Crafted with a zinc alloy housing and anti-slip embossments, these adapters resist interference and wear. Engineered for durability, the USB-C male and USB 3.0 female connectors withstand 10,000 plus plugins, ensuring longevity. Compatible with iPhone 16, MacBook Pro, post-2016, MacBook Air, post-2018, and most USB-C devices, they deliver fast data transfer and charging speeds. This 2-pack comes in a foam container for travel ease. No drivers needed, just plug and play. At this price, it's the ultimate budget-friendly fix for syncing or powering up on the go. Wireless CarPlay Adapter for iPhone, $50. Transform your ride with the wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone, now only $50. Featuring 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and a next-gen chip, it connects in 10 seconds flat and auto-reconnects in 3, with speeds 3x faster than rivals. Ditch the cables, no more breakage or unplugging woes, and enjoy lag-free navigation, music, and calls via Siri or your car's controls. Its metal edge design dissipates heat, tested for 10,000 plus insertions, ensuring durability. Compact yet mighty, it fits snugly and includes USB-A and Type-C cables. For wired CarPlay cars, this spring deal brings wireless freedom, keeping your interior sleek and your focus on the road. SHOKZ New OpenRun Pro 2, $150. Run, ride, or rock out with the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2, now $150 this spring. These bone conduction headphones ditch in-ear discomfort for an open-ear design that stays secure with a lightweight titanium frame. SHOKZ Turbo Pitch Tech delivers premium sound, clear highs, rich bass, through your cheekbones, while keeping you aware of your surroundings for safety. Enjoy 10 hours of music and calls, plus a 5-minute quick charge for 1.5 hours more. Sweat-proof and stable, they're built for intense workouts. At this deal, you're getting top-tier audio innovation that blends performance with comfort, perfect for active souls who want it all. Logitech G502 Hero, $39. Game on with the Logitech G502 Hero, now a ridiculous $39. This legend rocks a Hero 25K sensor with 1.1 tracking, 400 plus IPS, and 25,600 DPI. No smoothing, just precision. Customize 11 buttons and save up to 5 profiles on board via G-Hub. Tune its feel with 5 3.6G weights and sync its RGB lighting, 16.8 mm colors, to your vibe. The mechanical switch tensioning delivers crisp, rapid clicks, while the 32-bit ARM processor ensures speed, 1 ms report rate. With a 1-year warranty, this spring steel brings pro-level control and flair to your desk. Don't miss out on elevating your gaming for peanuts. UK BONITOYS Laptop Screen Extender, $250. Triple your productivity with the UK BONITOYS Laptop Screen Extender, now $250. This gem features an ergonomic base, no screen clamping, supporting laptops of all sizes with a stretchable, heat-dissipating, hollow design. Its dual screens, storable in the base, offer 360 degrees horizontal and 180 degree vertical rotation, detachable at 1.2 lbs for portability. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome, and more, not M1, M2, M3 MacBooks, it's a breeze to set up. Tuck it away or take it on the go with the included case. At this spring price, it's a clutter-free, cooling, and versatile boost for work or play, grab it before it's gone. Anker Nano 3-in-1, $35. Charge smarter with the Anker Nano 3-in-1, now just $35. This compact hub powers up your phone, watch, and earbuds with fast-charging multi-port magic. Its tiny design slips anywhere, desk, bag, or pocket, delivering Anker's legendary reliability. Perfect for decluttering, it tackles all your devices. In one go with premium materials ensuring top speed and safety. No bulk, no fuss, just plug and power up. At this spring deal, you're getting a game-changing accessory that keeps your tech juiced and your space tidy. Don't sleep on this Anker steel. It's the ultimate charging companion for anyone on the move. SanDisk 4TB Extreme Portable SSD, $248. Store it all with the SanDisk 4TB Extreme Portable SSD, now $248. This beast hits NVMe speeds, up to 1050 mph read 1000 mph write, packing 4TB into a rugged, portable frame. Drop-proof up to 3 meters and IP65 water, dust-resistant, it's built to survive. Clip it to your gear with the carabiner loop, and lock your files with 256-bit AES encryption via the SanDisk Memory Zone app. Perfect for creators or data hoarders. This spring deal delivers massive, high-speed storage that's tough as nails. Don't miss out on securing your digital world at a fraction of the usual cost. ZEEHOO 3-in-1 charging station, $57. Simplify your setup with the ZEEHOO 3-in-1 charging station, now $57. This QI2 certified gem pumps out true 15W fast charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. Its auto-rotating phone charger and pop-up dock bring sleek efficiency, while the ultra-compact rectangular design saves space at home or on the go. Bundled with a 30-watt adapter and 1.5-meter USB-C cable, it's an all-in-one Apple lover's dream. At this spring price, you're snagging a stylish, powerful charging solution that cuts the cord clutter, complete with a 24-month warranty. Power up in style and save big. What a ride through tech heaven. From the REDTIGER dash cam at $130, keeping your drive safe, to the ZEEHOO 3-in-1 charging station at $57, decluttering your Apple life, these 12 gadgets prove spring deals are the real MVP. We've uncovered steals like the Beats Studio Pro at $180 and the SanDisk for terabytes SSD at 2 for $8, top-tier tech at jaw-dropping prices. These discounts are blooming now, but they won't last forever. Spring sales fade faster than cherry blossoms, so snag them while you can. Which gadget stole your heart? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech hauls. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep geeking out.